What's going on, YouTubers? In this video, I'm going to do a product review on my favorite lightweight camp stove. Stay tuned. The reason I really like this camp stove, made by Coleman, because its versatility, how light it is, how portable it is. I've had this for a while, okay, and I've used it for years. And all it simply is you put your propane canister like this. Screw this on. Screw it on. Okay. Boom. All right, I'm just gonna turn it off. All right, here's my little egg and bacon sandwich that we're putting together with sourdough. We were missing the jalapenos, y'all. There we go, now it should be complete. Okay, I'll give you some. I wanna thank y'all for watching this video. If you like the stove like I do, I have the Amazon affiliate link in my description below. Go pick one up. Thanks for watching and peace out.